Semantic elements in HTML provide structure to the content of a web page by defining the meaning or purpose of different parts of the page. They allow screen reading software, search engines, and other developers to understand the structure and content of a page. Let's have a look at our first semantic element, article. The article element tells other editors that the content within it is self-contained and makes sense by itself. For example, this part of our Cardiff docs page on the history of the docs is self-contained and could, in theory, be distributed independently from the rest of the page content. We can therefore put this content in an article tag making it clearer for other developers of the page that this is a self-contained article. A second article on this page could be the section on Cardiff Docs today. It is good practice to include a heading as the first element of an article, but this is not essential. This area of the page is about shipping in Cardiff. The historical context of the Coal Exchange building is explained, but this paragraph about the Coal Exchange Hotel is not really related to the rest of the article. We can use the aside semantic element, which indicates to other people and screen readers and search engines that this part of the page is not directly related to the rest of the article. By themselves, semantic elements do not significantly change the appearance of a page. The appearance of this page has not been changed by wrapping it in semantic elements. Semantic elements are more about explaining the meaning of content, hence the term semantic elements. Semantic literally means meaning. That being said, using semantic elements together with CSS, which we look at later in the course, can make formatting a page easier and more consistent.